In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then choose All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Lastly, select Passwords at the bottom left corner. Tap on any password you wish to delete. And after entering your screen lock, tap on Delete twice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!